Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Allie with NGM Modeling. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 modeling audition tips. All right, so the first thing you need to do is be prepared. So watch some videos, practice your walks, practice your poses in front of the mirror, and also practice them in front of others so you can kind of get those jitters out of your system by practicing in front of somebody else. The second thing you need to do is make sure that you do your homework. Study the agency or the company or the designer, whoever it is that you're auditioning for. Make sure you read up on them so that you know a little bit about them. They will ask you about it. It will not only help you stand out, but it's also going to show that you are very interested in their company. Makeup should be minimal. This way they can see what your face and your skin actually looks like. So make sure that you don't pile on all of the makeup and do your full face makeup. You want to do something real quick, have nice clear gloss or some nude lipstick, and just very minimal on the rest of your face. Also, don't forget to bring heels with you. Wear flats so that they can see what you look like, what your actual height looks like, and then also bring your heels in case they ask you to walk, depending on the project. Always have those heels with you so you can be ready to do your walk for them. And don't wear any nail polish, either nothing or clear or nude, so that way it doesn't stick out and it doesn't distract them while you're talking and moving your hands, and it can just be a part of that whole nude look for them. Pull your hair back away from your face. So if you want to wear like a high ponytail or a bun of some sort, that way they can really get a good look at your face, because your hair generally won't matter unless you're going to audition for a hair company of some sort, but generally it won't matter. So it's better if you just pull it away from your face. You've got your nude makeup on already, or your minimal makeup, so it's going to look a lot better and they'll be able to get a really great look at your natural beauty. Of course, don't ever be late. That's a big no-no, and you don't want to waste anybody's time, and this isn't going to make you look good. So if you have to be there an hour early to make yourself look good, then by all means, get there as early as you can. It's better to be really early than to be even a second late. Have good posture. Think about your posture from the moment you get out of your car and start making your way in to the moment you get back in your car and it's time to drive away. It is very important to show them you can maintain it for a long period of time. That shows that you'll be able to do it while you're working on a project with them as well. Next thing, this is really important, is to be honest. If you don't have a lot of experience and they ask you about your experience, tell them, hey, I don't have a lot of experience, but this is a great opportunity for you to wow them with what you've learned. And this is why it's important for you to practice, and to practice not just in front of a mirror, but in front of people, because you're gonna be able to show them, hey, I learned all this with the little experience that I have, and that'll really leave a lasting impression with them. And then I think the very last thing that is so important is confidence. Be confident. Walk in there like you belong there and show them why you are the one that they should choose for the project. Now, you can obviously overdo it on this one, but just walk in there like you belong there. So I wish you the best of luck on your next audition. I hope these helped out. If something jumped out at you, don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I wish you the best luck on your next audition.